Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist. It's a little kitten playing. Just going to really focus on the shape and energy of this body here. Not worrying about details at all, just getting the shapes and the angles in. That bum needs to be a bit longer. I'm just measuring with my eyes. You gotta trust yourself. And that comes with time. So, if you gotta do some actual measuring, that's okay. Just do it your own way. And you will find your own way. I'm going 3 times the speed here and voicing over. I don't normally draw this fast. That's a ball of yarn. Cats love yarn. Not really the safest thing for them though. So I'm really thinking about what I really want to stand out here. There's a lot in the underbelly there, especially with that one back leg in the distance. If I overdid it, it would look wrong because it's really in the background. There's a line for eyes there I got now. So I just want more than anything suggestion of this leg I'm working on now. Pop those eyes in. Everything is just a suggestion in this drawing. It's really a gesture drawing. Little tiny bit more detailed on the face. And it's the type of drawing that you can turn into something else, like a more completed piece of art, or just use it as practice just for fun. Don't ever forget the fun element, because that's really what it's got to be about. You're not doing it for a job, are you? And even those that do it kind of starts as fun. That's how you put the real emotion and expression into it. It's just by enjoying the process. You notice I've just got suggestions of toe lines. Clear some of that out of there. And suggestion of tabby stripes. Just more than anything, I want the gesture of a kitten playing with a ball of yarn. We'll ground it. Darken some places up. I'm liking what I got. I like the energy in it. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time.